Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Okay, let's go and find the toy with me. Wow, yeah, it is a little one. What is a little one here? Wow, it's nice. Yeah, it is 24 hours service. What is this? It's like a ambulance or what? It's like a dump truck or what? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go and find some more. Wow, a little one here. It is a green color. Wow, it's so nice. Yeah, it's like a dump truck, everyone. Yeah, so cool. I got two in hand. Okay, let's go and find some more. Ow, what a big one here. Yeah, wow, cool everyone. Yeah, it's like a RoadMaster truck. My god, pretty cool. Yeah, it's like a black color, and the container is white or brown color. Yeah, super cool. Yeah, okay, let's unboxing everyone. Wow. Yeah, it's a brand new truck. I prefer this one, so I'm going to unbox. That is a nice truck. Yes. Wow. My goodness. So cool. Wow. Yeah. It's all work. Yeah. Wow. It's pretty nice. Yes. Yep. Right. So nice. Wow. What inside? Yeah. It's so nice. Wow. Yes. All done. Completely perfect. Yeah. So beautiful. Yeah, super truck. Everyone, is it good? Yeah, it's nice. I like this one so much. Okay, everyone like it? Yes. Okay, it's nice toy. Yeah, it's nice toy. Fun for today. Okay, good job.